Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group, Chingmang Poising, Nambol, Bishnupur District, Manipur 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features: RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source. Features and benefits: free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, Rs 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, Rs 250 subscription fee per month, 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type: monthly Rs 250, half yearly Rs 1500, quarterly Rs 750, yearly Rs 3000. For more details, please contact us at 8257 888737 or email us at lamjingbakanglawwater@gmail.com.